a step-by-step guide on how you can transfer money from Western Union to a bank account. Load up Western Union, click on menu in the top right, and then you want to select send money. Now, at the top, you will need to select the country which you will be sending money to. For example, let's do the Philippines. You will then need to type the amount which you want to send and just confirm it here. Then it's going to give you the option of bank account. Right, or just click on bank account, and then it's going to ask for your payment method here. You can do credit card, your bank account, Apple Pay credit card, Apple Pay debit card, or directly debit card. We're just going to leave it as a direct debit card here and click on continue. Now you will need to type out the receiver's information, so it's going to be first name, surname, and middle name. And also you will need to select their bank. So what bank does the receiver use? Then you will need to provide their account number. So here just type out their account number and re-enter it in the field below. And you will need to provide a purpose for transfer. So why are you sending them this money? Afterwards, you will click on add. You just want to go through the prompts. You will confirm your information, and that is going to send the money to the receiver's bank account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.